Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a really long time since I've uploaded something, and I did some uploads like every month about the M135i and Lotus, but the M135i has already been sold for like 6 months, so it were just re-uploads from footage that I had laying around. It's not my usual habit, but it took quite a long time to sort the right car this time, because I really knew what I wanted, but it was pretty hard to find it. But finally it's here. I've had the car for about 1 month now, and I already made some videos about it, but I didn't even introduce the car yet, so I just thought about quickly putting together this video. So this is just a little walk around showing the car. So as you can see, it's 2018 M2, and it's the LCI model with new lights, headlights and rear lights, and updated interior, but it's not a competition model, it's the N55 model. So what bothered me about the M135i was, well, when I bought the M135i, I thought it was the best choice to go with XDrive and automatic, because it would be the fastest and it would be the safest with a four-wheel drive in the rain and whatever, and I was afraid of getting the rear-wheel drive version. Ever since getting the M135i, I was always contemplating and kind of regretting that I didn't go for the rear-wheel drive version. I also thought the all-wheel drive was a little bit boring, so the combination of the automatic and the all-wheel drive really started to annoy me, and that's why I decided to switch completely to the other side, being the M2, with it being rear-wheel drive and this time a manual. So it's the same engine pretty much, but I never had any problems or issues with the engine. So in the rest of terms, it had to have all the right options. So in this case, it had to have the sunroof, had to be a manual, had to have the Harman Kardon sound system. The Pro navigation and carbon is standard on the M2 in Europe, so they all came with this. But I also wanted the Estoril, not like my M135, but the Long Beach Blue on the M2. That was a must for me. And this is an example with pretty low mileage. I bought it at 29,000 kilometers, and right now it has about 36. So I put about 7,000 kilometers already on it in the short time I've owned it. And it's been really great. I've already had some mods done to it. Videos are almost ready, so in a couple of weeks you can expect to see the updates and what exactly I'm going to do with the M2. It's really going to be a keeper, because after 1 month I can already tell that it's going to be one of the best cars that I've ever owned, and I'm really in love with it. So you can really expect some cool mods and some money to be thrown at the car, and some interesting videos hopefully. So if you want to come along with the M2 build and want to see what's going on, just hit like and subscribe to the channel so you keep updated on all the updates. Thanks guys, and see you in the next video.